Buongiorno! Benvenuti sul mio canale. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to learn some typical Italian gestures? In this video, you learn 3 Italian gestures that everyone should know. Let's get started. Iniziamo! Oh, by the way, if you like this type of video and you would like to get more of smart Italian for busy people, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Don't waste any time looking for videos. We are all busy people. Number 1. That means, what did you do? Or, how could you do that? Or, what shall I do with you? The facial expression is also very important. You can do, but it's much more effective to do. You can use it when someone did something you don't agree with and you think it was a disaster, and yeah, something like that. Number 2. So. In Italy, we don't speak it very directly. So if you ask someone, did you like my video? You don't say no. You say, if you really need to. And we make also that noise like to show that we didn't like the thing so much. We want to say it in a milder way. We don't want to offend anyone. Number 3. I forgot. And normally you raise your eyes like this. Like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a reminder, if you like this video and you would like to get more explanations about vocabulary, grammar, Italian culture, phrases, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up button. See you soon. A presto. Ciao.